Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to turn on dark mode in the YouTube app on your iPad, there's a simple way to do it. YouTube lets you switch between light mode and dark mode manually, or you can set it to match your iPad's system settings. Let me show you exactly how to adjust these options. First, open the YouTube app on your iPad, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and then go to the General Settings page. This is where you'll find different display options, including the setting for appearance. Inside the appearance menu, you'll see a few choices. If you want YouTube to always stay in dark mode, select Dark Theme, and the app will instantly switch to a dark background. This setting makes watching videos easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. If you ever want to go back to the regular mode, you can return here and select Light Theme instead. There's also an option called Use Device Theme. If you choose this, YouTube will automatically follow your iPad's system-wide theme. This means that if your iPad is set to dark mode, YouTube will also be dark. And if you switch back to light mode in the control center, YouTube will adjust accordingly. This is a great option if you like your apps to match the rest of your device settings. That's how you can enable dark mode on YouTube for iPad. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.